Hello lovelies, welcome back again with another video from your girl Monique. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I got these beautiful boho braids done using some bundles that I have restored from my closet and using half pack of expression braids. These are the equipments that you will need, and I already moisturized my hair and ready to start. So I am using the edge control, and then I sectioned out my hair to get a seamless parting. And I also make it sure that I cut away the weft from the bundles and combed the excess hair from it and use my edge control to keep the bundles in place so it doesn't fall apart. So now this is the hair that I'll be using, and I sectioned out my hair, and I also make it sure that I use the edge control to get the seamless part. So I now started braiding my hair two times and added the boho braids, and I braid down 3 times, and after I braided down I added the expression braids, and I add a small little piece because I don't want to use too much because the hair will be too heavy on my head. And I continue to plait it down, and I added another piece of boho braids, and I use my butterfly clip to remove it out of the way, and I continue to plait down 5 to 6 times before I add another piece of boho braids. And as I said, I didn't added too much expression braids onto my hair because I don't want it to be too heavy, so that was the only piece I added. And then I add another piece after I reach far down to the length that I desire, and I continue to plait, and I use 6 pieces of boho braids onto the hair. Then I go ahead and use my scissors to cut away the excess pieces that are hanging out because I don't want it to be poking me while I'm wearing the hair. As you can see now, I am adding an edge control and I am combing my hair out. So I plait my hair at least 3 times. Then I added a piece of boho braid onto it, and I didn't had any braids until I reached far down. So as you can see, I plait my hair at least 7 times down, and then I added the expression braids, and you already know the reason for that. So now I added my second piece of boho braids onto the hair and my second piece of expression braids onto the hair, and I think that was the only piece I used. So now I am adding another piece of expression braid, and at the top of the hair I only used 10 pieces of boho braids and 2 pieces of expression braids, so the hair is not too thick with the expression braids, and it is not too thin with the boho braids because I wanted it to be bouncy. So at the bottom I only used 6 pieces, and at the top I only used 10 pieces. And as you can see, the bundles of hair that I had, it wasn't too much because it's just some hair I restored from my closet that I had for the past 2 years. And these hair, I have no regrets getting them because it's some good quality hair. So now at the bottom I am adding my last piece of boho braids. So as you can see, I added it close to the bottom so that I can also have the hair at the bottom looking like human as well, so it would blend in with the expression braids. And I am using my scissors to cut away the excess hair that is hanging out, And as you can see, this is what it's looking like. It's looking stunning, and I am in love with these braids. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to express it. So now I sectioned out my hair again so I can continue with the process, and I am going to explain it one more time for you so you can understand. As you can see, I plait my hair at least 4 times right there. Then I added my expression braid, sorry, my knotless braids, put it out of the way, and I continue to plait down. Then I added my second piece of knotless braid, and I continue to plait it down. And after that I will be adding my expression braids. And as you can see, my hair is long enough where I don't need to add too much expression braids, so I just add at least 2 pieces, or sometimes I add 3 pieces, depend on how far down I braided the hair, so everything could be even. So now I added another piece of boho braids, and you can also add the boho braids to your own likings, because sometimes I add 10 pieces at the top, sometimes I added 5 or 6 or 7, because I didn't have as much braids, boho braids to use, so I had to use my discretion on how to use it. And if you are wondering how long these braids took me, I started 6 o'clock in the evening, and as you can see, I was at the top of my head by 9 o'clock in the night. Then I stopped because I was getting tired, and I started the next day at, I think it was like 11 o'clock in the morning, and I had finished these braids like 15 minutes after 9 in the night. Yeah, so it didn't take me an entire day, because I do it in the like I started the next day, so it depends what you are doing, because I had to stop during the time I was braiding, doing these braids, so I don't even know how to tell you guys how long these braids took me, but I think it would have taken me at least 14 hours if I hadn't have anything doing at the time. So I am going to show you guys how I do these the rest of the boho braids, and I will leave a music for you guys to listen to in the meantime, because I don't think I'll be sitting here talking. But oh, I am sorry, you see right there I added an expression braid because my finger was getting tired, and I decided to add a piece of expression braid so I can have more grip onto my hair, because it was slippery and my finger was so tired, so I decided to do that. So you can do it to your own liking. You don't really have to follow exactly what I am doing, but I am just showing you how I get it done. And as you can see with the expression, the boho braids, make it sure that you are holding on to it. You don't just plait it onto your hair and let it go, because as you instantly let go of the braids, it will start pulling through while you are braiding the hair, and it will get shorter. So make it sure that you protect those boho braids while you are braiding them. So I am going to leave some music so you guys can listen to in the meantime. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.
I can't believe you left me. All those promises, gone in a heartbeat. I'm still standing here, loving you, even after you left me. You said forever, I believed every word you breathed. I gave my all, my soul, my time. You walked away, left no sign. Late nights crying on my own, scrolling pictures on my phone. All the love I gave, so true, you just threw away like it was nothing to you. I kept holding on, even when you were gone. My heart still whispers your name, but it's lost in the pain. You left me for nothing, all the love I gave, all the suffering. I cried, I prayed, I waited for you, but you never cared, you never knew. You left me for nothing, and now I'm learning to be enough for me. I gave you everything, my heart, my soul. Now I'm picking up the pieces alone. Remember the nights we danced in the rain. I thought love could never hurt this way. You smiled, I smiled, we dreamed so high. Now I'm staring at clouds, asking why. You promised forever, said you'd never go, but forever ended and I still don't know why I loved you more than you loved me. Now I'm broken, but I'll soon be free. Maybe one day you'll realize all the tears I cried, all the nights I tried, but it's too late. I found my light, even through heartbreak, I'll survive the night. You left me for nothing, but I'm rising, I'm stronger, I'm more than your lies. I'll turn this pain into my fire, and one day you'll regret what you left behind. You left me for nothing, but now I'm everything I need to be. I gave you my heart, but now I see I'm the love I was looking for in me. I can't believe you left me. All those promises, gone in a heartbeat. I'm still standing here, loving you, even after you left me. You said forever, I believed every word you breathed. I gave my all, my soul, my time. You walked away, left no sign. Late nights crying on my own, scrolling pictures on my phone. All the love I gave, so true, you just threw away like it was nothing to you. I kept holding on, even when you were gone. My heart still whispers your name, but it's lost in the pain. You left me for nothing, all the love I gave, all the suffering. I cried, I prayed, I waited for you, but you never cared, you never knew. You left me for nothing, and remember the nights we danced in the rain.